Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. CRNC stock just pumped almost 100% on the day because it is now working in collaboration with NVIDIA stock to advance its Crnc family of language models. A lot of these stocks, like SoundHound, are focused on communication between human and machine. That's really what it comes down to. The company will leverage the NVIDIA AI enterprise software platform, including the NVIDIA Tensor RTLM open source library and the NVIDIA NeMo framework to optimize performance. A global industry leader in voice AI. So this is kind of like SoundHound. It's very interesting that NVIDIA is collaborating with this stock while also they invested in SoundHound, which caused SoundHound to explode from a low of like 150 to $10, then pulled back to $4, then ran to 21. I don't even have to look at the chart to tell you that because I follow SoundHound religiously. So because that's going to go to 100 in my opinion. But you can check out that video in the description below. But right now, let's focus on CRNC. The last time NVIDIA did any kind of partnership or investment in voice AI stock, SoundHound AI, you can see it pumped. It kept going. You thought it was over here? You thought that green candle was it? No, it can keep going, guys, especially with the huge volume that CRNC is getting right now. And if we look at the past at CRNC, one big green candle might make you think, oh, no way, it's going to keep going. Well, it can. You can see. Keep an eye on this one. Because I'm looking at the past right now. I'm looking at the history. And when this thing goes, it can keep going. I'm not going to jump in just yet. I would wait. I'm going to wait till tomorrow at open and then I'll jump in. I'm not going to jump in after all this. There should be some pullback tomorrow followed by more. If it doesn't pull back and it just closes on another big green candle, that's the easiest money you'll ever make, right? Because you're just taking advantage of the momentum at that point. So keep an eye on this one tomorrow. Oh, man, I'm disappointed. I just said tomorrow and today's Friday. So not tomorrow, Monday. Keep an eye on this one for Monday. This is going to be a good day trade opportunity. It's rare that I day trade, but this one right here, this is a big deal. If it's going to move like SoundHound did back then, we should see continuation into $20 to $25. Because the AI and quantum computing hype right now it's real. Like the hype is real right now. So that should keep moving. I'd be shocked if it just dumps from there. People right now, even people like me right now, are just discovering it. So the ones who made money are the ones who have been in on it when it was cheap. Anyways, a global industry leader in voice AI working with NVIDIA. I'm seeing if there's anything else. Deliver faster in-vehicle assistant performance on NVIDIA accelerated computing and SoCs. So this is about in-car interaction. Yeah, the future is us talking to our cars. In case you guys can't read between the lines, the reason these voice AI stocks are pumping is that's the future. We're going to be talking to our cars. You're going to be talking to your toaster. I know that sounds stupid. Oh man, I know some of you just shook your head right now. Like, no way no one's going to be talking to their fucking toaster. Ooh, I just swore. I did not say that word. Anyways, we're going to be talking to our toasters. The desktop, the laptop that you're on, you're going to be talking to it. You're going to say, hey, please look. You're just not even going to need a mouse and a keyboard anymore. You're just going to tell the AI to do everything for you. It's like, really think about that aspect of it. The reason these voice AI stocks are pumping and they're going to go further than where they are right now is because we will be communicating to these machines. We will be working alongside them and we will have to communicate with them. And you think I'm kidding, but you will be talking to your toaster. You'll be like, hey, toaster, make me some bread. Okay, I'm kidding. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that would be, that would be interesting, though. You're just going to be talking to your toaster, your oven. You won't have to touch anything anymore, at least, right? So this collaboration, that's why this is a big deal. Like, you got to think ahead. Right now, okay, the hype is real, sure. But in the future, this will become the reality. You'll be talking to your car. You won't even need a key. You won't need a FOB. You won't need any of that. You'll just talk to your car. Use a wake word. The car will wake up and ask you for a password or whatever. You say the password, you get in your car. Boom. Like that's my prediction, at least. I could be way off. Maybe I'm insane. Maybe I am. I don't know. Sometimes I say things and I'm like, maybe I'm crazy. But turns out I'm not. So far, I've been correct. I don't know why I'm good at this, but I am. So, long-term hold. I think if you're gonna go long on this, this is a long-term hold. Maybe put some SoundHound in there as well. Do not underestimate these AI stocks, especially the ones that are focused on voice. That communication is king in relationships. It's king. Period. Like that's how we got to where we are as humanity, because we're able to communicate. It's a big deal, you know. You're doing it right now. Actually, you're probably communicating through text with someone. But for the sake of rapidity, that's not the word. For the sake of speed, voice is the best way to communicate with the machines, right? You don't want to be sitting there texting a machine to do something. At that point, it's just you're using a Versus code or VS Code. Do I even have VS Code installed? I need to check. No, I don't. Oh no, there it is. Visual Studio Code. I do have it. Yeah, you don't want to have people, common people, just typing in commands through a programming tool. It's better to communicate through voice. That's the future right there. I mean, it's here right now, but in the future, it's gonna be crazy. You won't even have to press buttons on the treadmill. You'll just tell it, hey, 10 miles per hour, please. That's it. And it just goes, oh my God, please lower it to 8 miles per hour. Like, I'm sure, does that technology exist already? I'm sure it does, right? Or maybe it's not that good yet to exist. I don't know. Maybe I just gave someone $1 million idea. Anyways, that is it for the video. This is the most bullish I've ever been on a pump. Because I don't like chasing stocks that are up 100%. I don't like alerting those. I don't care for them because I like buying when it's cheap, right? I like buying when no one wants it, which is down here and looks like it's getting ready to go. This one could go 200% today. I'm going to have to talk to the Discord and tell them, like, hey, this one, it can go huge. And it's on you if you want to take the risk of day trading it today. I would rather wait till we get the dip. Or tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Damn it, I keep saying tomorrow. Friday. No, not Friday. Monday. I'm a little bit discombobulated from the holidays, but Monday, this can go like another 30 to 50, if not more. Do not miss out and have a strategy. Please don't just throw money at it. I made a whole video on Patreon. It's a free video you can watch, because so many people just throw money around without strategy, and I'm like, huh? You can't be doing that. So I made a whole video free to watch, even if you're a free member. Patreon exclusive MACD strategy. I show the strategy you need to use to make money in the markets while mitigating risk, because too many people, they want to chase a top and then it dumps and they're like, oh no, it went down when I bought, and they end up holding a big bag, or they become a long-term holder by accident, as I like to call it. So don't be one of those. Definitely have a strategy. If you have a strategy, you can jump in, ride that momentum up, take profit, make your money. And if it goes against you, you take the small loss, and you can laugh at all the other people who are going to hold the bag all the way back down to wherever this decides to settle. But right now, with the quantum computing and AI hype, keep an eye on this one for Monday for another pump. That is it for the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one.